also said this morning that your offer to bring down the small business tax rate even further was a sick joke because you didn't know how you were going to pay for it. Is that the case?
It really shows the difference, not just in the policies, but the difference in how each side of politics at the moment is willing to conduct politics. This current government, the Liberals and the Nationals, don't know how to do anything other than oppose. It doesn't matter what idea is put on the table, they want to rule it out straight away. The fastest growing part of the budget at the moment is superannuation tax concessions. It doubles over the next 4 years, but in 10 years' time it's projected that superannuation tax concessions will be costing the budget more than the age pension. And yet when we put forward something to improve the budget bottom line to the tune of $14 billion, they rule it out straight away. Multinational tax avoidance, we've got our policies there to raise in the order of $7 billion. What do? They rule it out, bring up their own policy with no numbers attached to it, just an asterisk. And then on the issue where Bill Shorten has said it will cost money, it is something where we need to work together to work through how to fund it, an offer of genuine bipartisanship for the benefit of small business and in turn for the benefit of the Australian economy. The reaction from the government is to rule it out straight away. This shows one thing: whenever they've got a choice between backing the future of Australia or backing the politics of the day, they pick the politics, and Australia deserves better than that.
But is it an empty promise, though, given that it's going to cost them so much money?
An empty promise, when the promise is one of an offer of bipartisanship, is made empty when the other side of politics says we're not even willing to talk. Now, we made the offer to work with them on superannuation. They refused. They said the fastest growing part of the budget can grow forever, and they'll just let Australia deal with the consequences. So we waited for a time, continued to offer for them to work on a bipartisan basis, and ultimately, with superannuation, we did the hard work ourselves. Right now, the offer is on the table to get a better deal for small business, and a deal that'll be more than a headline, that'll be a structural change in the benefits for small business off into the future. Now, they can either decide the politics of the day are more important, or they can decide the future of small business and in turn the economy of this nation is more important. At the moment, they're picking the politics. Labor is determined at the moment that we are offering bipartisanship to work together on how this could be funded. If they decide they just want to play political games, that's their decision. It's not how we operate.
Have you